This video was brought to you today by Aclass Tutors. Let the fun begin! Hello my beautiful bright stars! Today we're looking at Set Theory Past Paper Session. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a person turns about, when she might have won had she stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow, you may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering person. Often the struggler has given up when she might have captured the victor's cup, and she learned too late when the night came down how close she was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint in the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It might be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seems worst that you must not quit. Let's look at our first question. Our first question reads, in the above diagram, the complement of the set S is A, the null set, B, the set of 8 and 10, C, the set of 12 and 14, or D, the set of 8, 10, 12, and 14. Please pause this video and attempt the question on your own. When you have completed the question, you can press play to see the solution. Okay, so let's review the complement of a set. We have our universal set, and within our universal set we have the set R. Now all the elements that belong within R are within the orange region. Now, complement of a set means everything that is outside of the set. So the complement of R is everything that is outside of R. So it's everything that is not shaded in yellow. So therefore it's the blue region. Pretty simple, isn't it? Let's consider if we had two sets. So let's say we have the set R and the set T. What if I asked you, what is the complement of set T? So again, we're looking at all the areas that are not shaded in red. So it's everything that it's outside of the area shaded in red. And that will be our set R and the rest of the universal set. Do you see that? Yeah. So back to our question, we're asked the complement of the set S. So that means everything that is not within S, which gives us 8, 10, 12, and 14. Our answer is therefore C. Pretty good, isn't it? Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a good job. Let's look at our next question. If a universal set is the set of 1, 3, 5, 6, and 8, and the set A is equal to the set of 3 and 6, then the number of elements in A complement is A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, or D, 8. Please pause this video and attempt the question on your own. When you have completed the question, you can press play to see the solution. Now what does that apostrophe atop of the A means? It means complement of, which means everything that is outside of A. So therefore, what are the elements outside of A? They are 1, 5, and 8. So therefore, the number of elements in the set A complement is 1, 2, and 3. So our answer is B. Pretty simple, isn't it? Yeah. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a good job. Let's look at our next question. So this question reads, the complement of set B is, and you're given A, the set of 7 and 9, B, the set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, C, the set of 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and D, the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Please pause this video and attempt the question on your own. When you have completed the question, you can press play to see the solution. So let's say we have our Venn diagram, and you're asked to find everything that is outside of B. Now everything that's outside of B is everything that is not within the black region. So therefore that will include the set A and the rest of the universal set. So taking this back to our question, we can see that the complement of set B is therefore 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our answer is therefore C. Give yourself a shake, shake, shake. You did a terrific job. Let's look at the next question. Now this question reads, the number of elements which do not belong to either set A or set B. Please pause this video and attempt the question on your own. When you have completed the question, you can press play to see the solution. So let's look at our Venn diagram again. In this case, we're looking for elements that do not belong to A or B. So in this case, we're looking at the region that is not shaded in purple. So it's the rest of the Venn diagram. So in this case, those numbers are 7 and 9. So 7 and 9, that's how many elements? 2. So our answer is B. Very good. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a good job. And we're down to our last question. Now this question reads, which of the following is true, given that x is equal to the set of B, D, and F, and y is equal to the set of B, C, D, E, and F? A, x is equal to y. B, x is equal to the subset of y. C, y is equal to the A, x is equal to y. B, x is a subset of y. C, y is a subset of x. Or D, x is not a subset of y. Please pause this video and attempt the question on your own. When you have completed the question, you can press play to see the solution. So let's answer some questions. What does this sign mean? Now this sign means is a subset of. Now if I say that a set is a subset of another set, it means that all the elements within that set are contained within the other set. So if A is a subset of B, it means all of A's members belong to B. Do you see that? Yeah? Let's look at this sign. What does this sign mean? That's correct. It means is not a subset of. So if I tell you that C is not a subset of D, all it means is that all the members that belong to C do not belong to D. As in, C is not contained within D. Do you get that? Yeah? So can we go back to our question? How about we look at our question again? Now let's look at set X. Set X has B, D, and F. And set Y. Set Y has B, C, D, E, and F. Do you see that B belongs to Y and X? D belongs to Y and X, and F belongs to Y and X. Can you see that all of X's members belong to the set Y? Yeah? So therefore we can say X is a subset of Y. So our answer is B. Very good. You did a fantastic job. We have reached the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of our Set Theory Past Paper Session first video. You were born to live a great life. Step into your greatness today. Your dream is possible. We at Aclass Tutors, we believe in you. Do you believe in yourself?